Don't waste your time chasing people. Attract them. The people who are meant to be in your life will gravitate towards you without hesitation. If you don't plan your time, someone else will help you waste it. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Don't waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. Everyone cannot like you. Don't waste your time trying to change those who don't. Just be you. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. There are two things you should never waste your time on: things that don't matter and people that think you don't matter. What other people think of you is none of your business. Don't waste your time trying to win people over that can never be won over. Listen more than you speak, for wisdom often comes from silence. Never waste your time trying to explain yourself to people who are committed to misunderstanding you. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. Stop wasting your time trying to prove something to someone who doesn't even believe in you. Time is too precious for that. It's a complete waste of time trying to get someone else to understand something that they just don't want to understand. Sometimes you have to let go of something good to make room for something better. Don't waste too much of your life waiting for the right person or the perfect moment. Life isn't like that. It's messy and often unclear. Don't waste your time trying to win people who don't want you. Instead, focus on those who are willing to love and accept you for who you are. The calmer you are, the clearer you think. It's a complete waste of time to try to change someone else. You can only control yourself and how you respond to things. It's not for the other person. It's for your peace of mind. Stop wasting your time on people who don't want the best for you. They are not worth it in the long run. Don't waste time and words on people those who deserve your silence.